All right, guys, this problem, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough on what you need to do. So when you open up the sim, determining gravity from a pendulum, hit begin. The pendulum will already be swinging for you. And then there's a timer at the top left. When you click that, it'll start timing. When you click it again, it'll stop. And if you want to reset it, you just click it again. You want to start timing someplace where you know you can repeat the swing. In other words, where you can count full swings. So if you start like at the top right, when it gets to its highest point, if you count that as the starting point, then that's when you want to hit the starter. So let's do this. Start. And you're going to do 10 swings. I think that's 3, 4, 5. I'm just going to stop it at 5. So in that case, it was 9.11 seconds. You're going to want to do a few trials to get the average. And then the problem down here gives you some information about the mass of the pendulum bob and the distance from the ceiling to the center of the mass, in this case 123 centimeters. You're going to need to change that to meters. And then the angle is not important. Use the timer to determine the number of swings per minute. You're going to use that to figure out gravity in the next part of the problem. So when you're ready, you hit end and you enter your name and then what the gravity is. So newtons per kilogram, that's the same as meters per second squared. I'm just going to enter in the incorrect answer. Make sure you only write numbers. Do not put any letters or units in here. So I'm going to do it to 1 decimal place and hit submit. Okay. So my answer was not good enough. The actual answer was 9.3. And since I wrote 5.6, I have to refresh the page and do this again. Okay. So you guys are going to have to do this until you get the correct answers and then take a screenshot and